Hello my friends, welcome back. If this is first time you're watching my video, welcome. And I have new videos up every Wednesday. So in this video I'm going to share one of my favorite hobbies, which is gardening. And you may be wondering if you know, but why I'm showing you all these empty bottles and the container for the milk for milk. It's actually this is how I am going to start my seedlings. I will continue this is going to be my second year doing winter sowing. I'm going to link my winter sowing video down below so you can take a look, see what happened last year when I did it, and I had a great time. And also I just feel it's so much convenient than doing traditional using the tray. Then you have to do it indoor, and then you move outside and indoor, outside, all that, and use the grow light and all that stuff. I just feel winter sowing is really very convenient, and also not much effort at all. I think all the effort that you have to put in is really at the beginning, you know, when you put the seeds in. Okay, so anyway, so I'm going to do it again this year, and my plan is really to only do winter sowing for the seed starting. I try to challenge myself not to do any conventional way of starting seeds. So I'm collecting at this moment. Right now is beginning of February. I'm still collecting these bottles. I would say probably another. I have a bunch of these container already, but the milk container I still need some more, so I'm still collecting them, and I am planning to finally, you know, plant the seeds in next couple weeks. Okay, so these are some of my containers, and these are the seeds I'm going to do winter sowing for this year. So I'm just gonna go through this together with you, and in case if you are interested in doing it together with me, you can get prepared and dig into your seeds pile and see what you want to winter sow. So these are the peas. I really don't plan to winter sow. Peas are extremely easy to grow, so no need to do any winter sowing. Also radish, no, I'm not going to do that. Spinach, I don't know if I'm going to pass spinach for this year or not. I'm gonna see if I have any extra container. I may do it, but not for sure. Turnips, no, I'm not doing that for turnips. Okay. By the way, my zone is zone 7B, so we just had some snow over last weekend. It was pretty bad. But I think the rain coming on this Thursday, Friday would probably wash the snow away. In the video, I'm going to link down below. You will hear me saying that I won't be doing tomato. I won't do tomato and pepper for winter sowing, but now I'm planning for this year's winter sowing. I actually changed my mind. Since I do plan to do all of my seed starting through winter sowing methods, so I'm actually going to do just do everything. so this one is all my peppers seeds. So I'm gonna pick them and do a bunch of them. I had a great time growing peppers in my garden last year. I keep harvesting until I think even to November. I still have some pepper hanging, so we had a great time with the pepper. So these are the notes I had last year. So I winter sowed some peppers in March last year, and this year I will do it early. I think the reason last time I decided not to do it is actually I started a bit late, so those seedlings quite small when the last frosting day passed. They are still small, so I'm going to start early this year, and hopefully they will be a little bit bigger. Okay, so bunch of peppers I'm gonna do, and in this one, okay, these are the lettuce. Lettuce. I may start some lettuce actually. I may, but secondary though. My main focus, I think, will be on pepper, tomato, and bunch of flowers. I had great time sowing and growing flowers last year. So this bag is already the green vegetables. I think some of the green vegetables I have carrots. I'm not a big fan of carrots, and some Chinese vegetable here. Kale, mustard. What else we have? Basil, beets, lettuce. Okay, secondary only if I have containers left. All right, tomato, that's a big one. I'm gonna sow a bunch of them. I have Big Daddy, large red cherry. They're fine. Oh, this is okay. So besides pepper and tomato, Chinese celery is a must. I probably will use 2 of these big container milk jars for celery. If you, I don't know if you have you ever tried Chinese celery. They taste, I mean, the fragrance, the flavor is just fantastic. If you have never tried it, go to Asian market and see if you can find Chinese celery. They are much skinnier than the American celery, but they are very strong flavor. Texture wise may not be the best because they are skinnier, right? Maybe a bit more chewy, but I usually don't eat them. I'm just have them for flavor. You should try. You will see the difference. So this is for sure. I will do at least 2 container Chinese celery. It's must something I would do. I have some bottle gourd, round belly. This one, because they need hot temperature and all this stuff, so I may wait until later to direct sow them. They do pretty well direct sow, don't need to go through winter sowing. Tomato, okay, good, another tomato here, lettuce. Loofah, also I would do direct sow. I think I love to grow some loofah again. I did direct sow and also had seedlings in a tray for loofah, but these loofah and gourd, these are the ones that can wait because they need the heat to grow well. Marigold, I would do some. They always come up good, very cheerful, right? If you have not tried this is very extremely easy to grow. Okay, either way is fine, I think. Flowers, these bags are my flowers. So I have lobella, still have some seeds, I hope so. Let me feel it. I don't know if I still have any lobella. I love lobella. They're very small. Let's see, wait. Oh, I may not have enough, right? They're kind of small. Oh, tiny. Yeah, I still have some. Hopefully it will be enough for me to have some lobella to come up. And this is Cosmo. They are beautiful too. Cosmo, have a bunch of Cosmo here. Bachelor's button, they're beautiful. I love them. Petunias, they're great too. Petunia. Okay, so those are the seeds I have here in my container, planning to grow. I still have some other seeds somewhere else, but these will be the main, like you know, these are the seeds I used last year. They did pretty well, so I'm gonna continue doing what I did last year. And also, so my plan, two big plan for this year's gardening is winter sow. Most of them, you know, almost most of them, this at least for now, that's my plan, winter sow them. And also do not plan to buy any new seeds. I want to use up whatever I have. Okay, So this couple of weeks I will still be collecting bottles, and I will come back to make a video when I am ready to actually do the direct sale, and I will show you exactly what I do. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a like, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, and I have a new video up every Wednesday. Okay, I see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.